Hello students, next we'll see third problem. I hope you are clear with first and second problem. Third problem we have Mahesh and Naveen are equal partners with a capital of rupees 1,80,000 and 1,40,000. Okay, equal partners means profit and loss they are sharing equally here. Okay, so their capital we have 1,80,000 and 1,40,000. Okay, and their partnership deed provides interest on capital. How much you should pay? 5% per annum. 5% on 1,80,000 and 5% on 1,40,000 we're going to pay. Then interest on drawings being Mahesh rupees 540 and Naveen rupees 360. Interest on drawings directly they have given, it is 540 and 360. So again no need to calculate it. Okay, and annual commission of rupees 8,000 to Mahesh. So to Mahesh what we are paying? Rupees 8,000 annual commission. Okay, once in a year we are going to pay him 8,000 commission. During the year Mahesh withdrew rupees 18,000 and Naveen 12,000. Only drawings they have given, no need to consider this because we won't record capital as well as drawings in profit and loss appropriation account. What we will record? Interest on capital and interest on drawings we are going to record. Okay, then the profit before adjustment of interest on capital, interest on drawings and Mahesh's commission was 42,100. Means their profit. Okay, net profit how much we have? 42,100. So you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So we will calculate, we'll see the solution of it. Okay, profit and loss appropriation account. So account format you all remember, I hope, right? Debit and credit you should write. Don't forget to write the debit and credit. Okay, then particulars, inner column and outer column, both the sides we have three columns here. Okay, so by net profit how much we have? Profit and loss account net profit it is 42,100. Okay, so next we have to pay interest on their capital. So by into interest on capital, Mahesh we have 1,80,000 5%. How much we'll get? 9,000. And Naveen we have 1,40,000 5%, so 7,000. Okay, so how much we have to pay total? 16,000 we are paying interest on their capital. Then annual commission of whom we have? Mahesh, right? To Mahesh's commission 8,000. Then what we have to pay? No salary they have given, so directly interest we will record by interest on drawings. Mahesh we have it is 540 and Naveen we have 360. Okay, so total drawings how much we are collecting from them? 900. Okay, so difference you should calculate now. Credit side total we have 43,000 because 42,100 plus 900 it will be 43,000, and debit side 16,000 plus 8,000 we have 24,000. Okay, so difference amount profit we have it is 19,000 19. So where you have to transfer this 19,000? Partners capital account, right? So Mahesh and Pawan, how they have said they are sharing profits and losses equally, because clearly they have mentioned they are equal partners. So 1:1, two partners we have, so 1:1. Okay, so 1 divided by 2, 1 plus 1, 2 you will get. So Mahesh 19,000 into 1 by 2, 9,500, and Naveen 19,000 into 1 by 2, 9,500, which you are going to record debit side because debit side we have less amount, right? 24,000. Then to Pawan's partners capital account, Mahesh we have 9,500 and Naveen we have 9,500, and total profit we have it is 19,000, and both side total you should write 43,000. Okay, and above the total single line, below the total double line, don't forget it. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this you can get it clarified. I hope you are clear with these sums. Okay, these are 6 marks problems. Now next fourth which you have to solve homeworks. Okay, Uma Suma started a partnership business on 1st April 2019 with capital of rupees 1 lakh and rupees 60,000 respectively. Okay, Uma and Suma we have two partners here. They contributed capital 1 lakh and 60,000. Okay, they agreed to share profits and losses in the proportion of their capital. Okay, means profit and loss sharing ratio you have to calculate on their capital basis. Then it was agreed to allow partners interest on capital at 10% per annum. Okay, interest on their capital, how much you should calculate? 10%. Then Suma allowed monthly salary of rupees 750. So for Suma you should pay monthly salary of 750. So per month 750 means for 12 months you should calculate 750 into 12. Okay. Then Uma, an annual commission of 7,000. Uma, you have to pay annual commission, means no need to multiply anything, directly you should write 7,000 debit side. Okay. Then during the year Uma drew 12,000 and Suma 16,000, and the respective interest on drawings amounted to rupees 600 and 800. So interest on drawings we have 600 and 800. For Uma 600, for Suma it is 800. Okay, don't take drawings amount, interest on drawings you should take 600 and 800. The profit of the firm for the year ending before charging the above adjustment, profit they have given, it is 38,600. So you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account here. So I'll just show you how to calculate the profit sharing ratio. On the basis of their capital they have said. So Uma's capital is to Suma's capital. Uma's capital, how much we have? 1 lakh, and Suma's capital 60,000. Okay, so cancel zeros, 4 zeros we can cancel, both the sides we have 4 zeros, so cancel it, 4 zeros both the side. Then 10:6 will left. Okay, in which table we'll get? Both the tables, 2 table, right? 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. So what is the profit sharing ratio you have? 5:3. So when you divide the profit, how you are going to divide? For Uma, profit into 5 divided by 8, and for Suma, profit into 3 divided by 8. How you will get divided by 8? 5 plus 3. Okay. The next problem, fifth one, Vinay and Vidya are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 6:4. Okay, so their profit sharing ratio have 6:4, means 6 by 10 and 4 by 10 you will get. 6 plus 4, 10, right? So 6 by 10 and 4 by 10. Their capital on 1/4/2019, 2 lakh and 1 lakh. Okay, they're both capital, how much you are having? 2 lakh and 1 lakh. They made profit for the year end 89,400. So profit for the year end they have given, it is 89,400, which are going to record credit side, profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Then before making the following adjustment, interest on capital, how much you should pay? 8%. 8% on 2 lakh and 8% on 1 lakh. Okay. Then allowed salary rupees 1,000 per month to each partner. For both of them you have a salary, for Vinay as well as for Vidya. 1,000 into 12. So 12,000 for both. Okay, 12,000 for Vinay you should pay, and salary of Vidya you should pay 12,000 for, 1,000 into 12. 12,000 for Vidya, 12,000 for Vinay. For both you should pay. Then their drawings during the year 20,000 and 15,000 respectively. Their drawings they have given. No need to consider this. Interest on their drawings amounted to rupees 2,000 and 1,800 respectively. Okay, interest on drawings we have, it is this you should consider and record it credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on drawings 2,000 of Vinay and 1,800 of Vidya. Okay. Then sixth problem, Kanaka and Ishwar are partners, commenced their business with a capital of rupees 1 lakh and 80,000 respectively. Okay, Kanaka and Ishwar are two partners we are having. Their capital you have 1 lakh and 80,000. So they have capital of rupees 1 lakh and 80,000. Okay, how they are sharing profits and losses? 2:1. 2 by 3, 1 by 3 you will get. For the year end 31st March. Okay, profit for the year end we have 26,250, means net profit of the year. How much it is? 26,250. And interest on capital, how much you should pay? 5% per annum. On 1 lakh 5%, on 80,000 5% again. Okay. Interest on drawings of Kanaka we have 1,500 and Ishwar 1,000. So interest on their drawings you should pay 1,500 here and 1,000, which you should collect from them. Okay, which are going to record credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Then partner's salary to Ishwar rupees 4,000 per annum. It is not for month. So for 1 year 4,000 you are paying, so no need to multiply it. Okay. Their drawings during the year amounted to Kanaka 15,000 and Ishwar 10,000. No need to consider this drawings amount here because we are preparing profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. So if you have any doubt in this, get it clarified, then sort it out. Okay. These three sums which I wanted to solve, and let me know the answer, means balance you should tell me. Okay. then you are going to share it with a profit and loss sharing ratio. Is that clear? Okay, in further classes I'll explain some more sums. Till then, take care.